it beautiful? Good to me. What?
Hey, Gavin. Today's a good day. We are going to go find some pine cones and enjoy our walk.
And we're
This
so happy
beautiful
to
place.
be here.
Yes, we are very happy to be here. I hope you will enjoy it.
I love you. Bye bye.
Turn it around, turn it around. I won't. Turn it, turn it, turn it.
Yay! Isn't it beautiful?
Τι κάνουμε τώρα?
We're going home now.
Going home. We're gonna sit in our couch and she's gonna make me some coffee. And we're gonna use our fireplace, the TV.
The TV fireplace. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce for the salmon. So I'm gonna put some vinegar. I'm not measuring it, so I just put about that. And I'm gonna add the olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard,
Mommy, I will put this.
some salt.
Yeah.
Vale.
More?
Yep. From the other side. Turn it from the other side.
Yeah.
Put some power. Put some power. Put half of the lemon. And a little bit of water. And now I'm gonna mix it very well. And a little bit of honey. And now you do the test of the taste. Is still here, so I think it needs a little bit more of salt. You like it? Does it need to be more sweet? If you want it to be more sweet, you can add more honey or more mustard. It really depends what you like more. You can skip some of the ingredients, but those are very good for salmon on top. And I usually make it with mashed potatoes. I think I would add a little bit of honey. I think I put a lot of vinegar this time. But that's the fun part of it. You mix and you try.
That's
and
enough now.
you fix whatever you did. Try. It's better. And that's the sauce.
My name is Gingerbread Man. What is your name, little girl?
My name is Man.
Man?
My name is Holland Straight. Hello.
So, hello, welcome to my house.
Hi, I'm a girl.
You're a
Mom.
girl.
Awesome. Let's make more girls.
I think my name is Galini. And my name is Christian Peter.
And my name is Stelios. Steliosum. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Περιμένετε να μπείτε να κάνετε jump κι εσείς. Γαλήνη, γεια σου! Έτσι, μπράβο! Μπράβο! Μπράβο, κορίτσι μου! Good job! Έτσι, μπράβο!
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 Bullseye!